Okay, to work out a missing angle using a cosine rule, we first of all need to rearrange it to make cos A the subject. So if I add 2bc cos A to both sides, I get the following. If I then subtract a squared from both sides, I get 2bc cos A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared. I can now just divide everything by 2bc to get this formula here. And that's the formula you want to work out a missing angle. Now, the angle I want to work out, I'm going to label with a capital A, and the side opposite therefore must be lowercase a. B and C, again, are interchangeable, so I'm going to label this one B and this one C. Substitute the numbers in, you get cos x equals 13 squared plus 7 squared minus 11 squared, all divided by 2 lots of B, C. Type those numbers into your calculator exactly as I've written it. So if I type those in, we get 13 squared plus 7 squared minus 11 squared, all divided by 2bc. And we get cos x is equal to this horrible decimal, 0.5329, blah, 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 blah. To work out x, we need to do shift cos because we're working out an angle. So we're working out the inverse cos. Just put your answer, and then we can round that to something sensible. So 57.8 degrees to 1 decimal place. Hope that helps.